Hello, it's Robert Burr here at the Rum Wreck Dive Bar for another episode of Rum Minute. Today we're looking at Goslings Papa Seal single barrel aged rum from Bermuda. This new prestige expression from Goslings, Papa Seal single barrel, sets the standard for luxury limited editions from this British island territory in the North Atlantic Ocean. Papa Seal single barrel is pot and column distilled from molasses, blended and then aged in once used bourbon barrels with a medium char. The humid, salty air of Bermuda provides an ideal environment for aging. Matured for over 15 years in 12 hand-selected bourbon barrels, only about 2,500 of these exclusive bottles will be released. Rum from each of the barrels, about 200 bottles each, is predestined for a specific geographic location. Luscious aromas of treacle and butter cookie over wet oak precede a slightly musty earthiness and old leather. On the palate, dark banana, burnt sugar, and butter notes turn slightly dry at mid-palate, leading to creamy vanilla and baking spices over big charred wood. Hints of balsamic, dark prune, and leather fade slowly in the very long finish. At 41.5% ABV, each bottle features the barrel number, the bottle number, and bottling date handwritten on the label. Goslings Papa Seal single barrel aged rum for Bermuda sells for about $200.